Turning now to the big story, car insurance showdown.
A battle playing out in court that could mean a lot less expensive for you to get around Metro Detroit. Mayor Mike Duggan is suing the state of Michigan. He says our drivers are paying excessive rates and it's a violation of our constitutional rights.
7 Action News reporter Anu Prakash is live downtown and shows you what happened in court and what it means for you. Anu?
Yeah, Alan, the lawyers just walked out of federal court here about 20 minutes ago. There was no decision. The federal judge took it under advisement, but he did describe the car insurance rate here in Michigan as shameful. There's no doubting the frustration that comes when talking about Michigan's no-fault insurance that ranks among the highest in the nation.
We already have high expenses, so to add that on to, our bill is kind of ridiculous.
For the people who actually, don't get into accidents or live in areas where the crime is not high and you're still being, charged and you have to suffer for the whole lot. I think it is ridiculous. I think something should be done about it.
Eric Lufer is president of Citizens Research Council, a nonprofit that tries to help state and local government work better.
This is just another way of charging people to live in Michigan. If it's the highest in the nation, that's not good. We don't want to be the first in this. We want to be first in other things that draw people here.
Detroit's Mayor Mike Duggan and other plaintiffs in the lawsuit claim Michigan's rates are unconstitutional.
People can afford to buy a car, but they can't afford to insure the car, so it's alleged that it's depriving people of their ability to live fruitful lives.
Attorneys for the plaintiffs argued today the rates need to be fair and equitable because we have the right to mobility, and because the law interferes with that right, that makes it unconstitutional and something for the court to decide.
The Attorney General's office says it's an argument without merit. You're not guaranteed the right to have a car, drive a car, anything like that. But if it does belong anywhere, it belongs in the state courts, they allege.
A federal judge has tremendous authority and options to decide the path of this lawsuit or whether he's going to take it or not.
Yeah, this is a really complicated issue. Again, the federal judge in this case deciding to take it under advisement. He did encourage the lawyers on both sides to try and talk to the people they represent to see if there's any way they can come up with a solution. Live in Detroit tonight, Anu Prakash, 7 Action News.
And I know a lot of people will be keeping a very close eye on this case. All right, Anu, thank you. And if you have any issues getting around Metro Detroit, we want to know about it. You can email us at gettingaround@WXYZ.com.